You gotta learn to drive with the fear, and there ain't nothing more goddamn frightening than driving with a live cougar in the car. That is a fantastic quotation from Talladega Nights, The Ballad of Ricky Bobby. Fantastic comedy movie. Anyways, what we have here is the 1969 Ford Torino Talladega, and this is from Johnny Lightning, one of 10,000. Let's see what sort of facts we have here. Adding better aerodynamics. Yeah, the nose is extended 6 inches or so. Ford dominated racing in 69 and 70, winning 29 Grand National races. Okay. Let's see on the back. We have a few other photos, which is what I like about this brand. They show you what else you can get, you know. Interesting, they have a original RX-7 there. Seems like a oddity compared to all the other ones. What's this blue car? Oh, no, I guess that's a Lotus Esprit. I've just never seen one that blue. All right, has anyone actually joined the Collector Club for $30 a year? You get a Mustang SVO, probably an Auto World casting, maybe? I don't know, is this... I don't know, I'm not feeling it. Not $30, maybe $15. Anyways, what else did I learn about this here? Oh, you know what? Boy, I want to check the scale. Johnny Lightning is pretty... definitely not 1/64 scale all the time, so I pulled up the wheelbase dimensions of this thing, and it is 2946. So let me get the good old calipers out here and measure this wheelbase. I'll just measure where I see the axles coming out of the openings here. Something like that, maybe? Out of curiosity's sake, let's see if it matches up here. Yeah, it's pretty close. Alright, 44.9. It's probably actually like 45. So, let's see. My mouse cable's always in the way. So this divided by 44.9. 165. You know, this could be 1/64 scale because no, maybe it is a little small. I'm not sure. 165 scale, I'm going to list it as. Alright. So what else did we learn here? Besides the longer nose, the grille is a little bit more flush, so that helps aerodynamics. And also they reshaped the bottom panels so the thing could be an inch closer to the ground. So that would create more suction. Let's see, so those races it won the NASCAR and ARCA Manufacturers Championships in 1969. I don't know what the ARCA is. American Racing Club A? Yeah, I don't know. So Ford, wanted to beat Dodge at racing, and they did with this car. Dodge went back and created the Dodge Charger Daytona to start winning again. But Ford also pulled out of racing after this year, I think, because of I don't know, societal pressures about not racing and fuel economy and all that stuff. Okay, let's see. This model now is not a metallic, it's just a maroonish, brownish color. The white walls, I guess, maybe it's just not on the wheel so well. I don't know. This tire looks oval. It doesn't look round, right? But the wheel is nice. There's some nice details here with the slots and the bolts and all that. I don't think there's air passing between, though. No, they have a strange construction method, it looks like. This is just printed on, this reflector, but it's not just yellow. It's got a little border around it, so that's good. The door handle is sticking out a little bit, and it's painted, so that's good. There seems to be a graphic. Wow, this is a really thin graphic, too. There's 2 white lines there. I thought one line would be easy to print. Oh, maybe it is 1 line. I don't... Up here is definitely 2. Yeah, it is 2 lines. See? Yeah, so that's a hard thing to try to pull off. This side it definitely, well, I don't know. Yeah, it works. They're so tightly spaced, very often it looks like 1 line, but I do believe it's 2. Okay. So what are these things here? These are raised, I think. Yeah, they're raised, painted silver, some sort of louvers. I like that there's no window here, so you can see the interior nicely, but unfortunately because it's black, you're still gonna need a flashlight. Let's get this out here. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it's nice. It's molded 4 gauges, it looks like. Interesting. The seats, not much ribbing or anything, but maybe that's the way it was. Kind of a plain seat thing, but what about the I can't tell about the door. I think there must be plastic there. Yeah, there. Maybe even silver paint on that door. Alright. It's good enough. Alright, where's the dental pick now? So there's a reflector back here as well. And this painted red and silver. There we go. Johnny Lightnings, I think they usually are supposed to roll. This one does, although it's a little wobbly. Stark white headlights. Not a fan, but that's just the way Johnny Lightning does it, apparently. These are ribbed and painted black nicely. A little bit of a license plate detail there. The hood here, it's inset, painted black, so that's helpful, but it is a pretty wide panel gap, even with the black hood. It's quite noticeable. On it, it has the printing, yeah, Ford. Well, yeah, it's close. You get an idea. It's definitely supposed to be Ford. And then some ribbing here. The wiper blades are casted in. All this window trim is painted silver. Let's try to get that hood open. I don't know which way it opens, so I gotta find some of this wall mount putty here. So just plop it on and see which way it wants to open. Okay, so it's a normal opening. There we go. Alright, well, the hood opens an amazing amount, actually. And unfortunately, it's just not really worth it, I think. It's not a really attractive casting. It's nice that there's at least 3 colors inside, but frankly, I'd rather not have it. Alright, this side of the car. No major problems. Okay, going to the back. Taillights are painted nicely. It's nice that there's a license plate, so turn left, because that's the only way they drive in NASCAR, I guess. And then some sort of badge here. I'm not sure really what that looks like. I guess it's just like a T, a blue T, according to that first picture I brought up. Ford is printed okay, and then a little lock mechanism as well. So recessed here. Yeah, that looks pretty accurate, I guess. Alright, not too much to talk about there. The bottom and super fine text, we have nothing about the car, so that's weak. Right. Tomy International. Does Tomy own this brand now? Is that what's going on? Tomy's the parent company of TLV, and they have their own list of problems, but they cost a lot more. So Johnny Lightning always has, like, it seems the same tires. So, like, I don't know, they look too wide. At least the front ones look too wide. It's press fit together, so fixing it or customizing it is going to be a pain. Alright, well, that's that. Let's see, let's look at a couple other castings. Knowing that now this is a little bit too small. It looks narrow to me. It looks very narrow in relation to the length of it. So here's a 63 Polara, and that looks a little bit better proportion. This is an Auto World. Another Auto World is a 73 Charger. Is it a Charger? No, it's a Challenger Rally. I just get those two mixed up. There's a 69 Trans Am, also from Auto World. Yeah, this thing is a Mercury 66 Comet Cyclone. Actually, that's more like this, I guess. And for good measure, we'll just throw in a green light Mustang from 69, I think. So, see, width-wise, this looks proportionally appropriate width versus length. Same with this. Auto Worlds are true 64, supposedly, right? But even the green light looks appropriate in its width. But this just looks too narrow for a car that big. What do you guys think? So yeah, Johnny Lightning, not always true 64, but in their defense, they never claim to be. So be aware of that. You can't really get mad at them if they don't really, you know, say they're true 64. They're just kind of in the realm of Hot Wheels. It's an expensive Hot Wheels, I guess. Alright, well, I do like this car in real life. In fact, I feel like I reviewed the Hot Wheels of this. Unfortunately, it's in a different country, so I can't compare the two. Well, I'm not sure what to do with this. I'll keep it for now. And the one nice thing is there's no major quality control problems. In fact, it's pretty much a flawless vehicle. You know, maybe one of the tires aren't perfectly round, but there's nothing really, nothing to get angry about. So I'll probably still get a Johnny Lightning every now and then, as long as it's a cool looking casting, even knowing that they're not true 64 scale. I consider them expensive Hot Wheels now. Alright, well, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next Ford video. Bye. Oh, another quote. You don't drive with your eyes, you drive with your heart.